guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. Here we have the leg extension machine. This is going to be for the front of your legs or your quads. A couple of different adjustments on here. We have this back pad that moves forward. You want this pad to be, your low back to be able to be pressure against it, and also still about an inch or two showing from the front of the seat pad. Another adjustment that you might have at your gym is going to be this bottom foam roller here. You want it sitting right on top of the ankles. For us here at Legacy, on this one, you actually have to physically pick this up. Hold on to the side handles and then come to full extension at the top of the exercise. Slow control down, stop right before you touch the bottom, and then extend straight back up. Oops, here. I really like to do this exercise either before I get into my big leg day or after as a finisher, somewhere between the 8 to 15 rep range.